asked me to dance, I said no, no, I have two left feet. And then she took my hand and whispered a song so sweet. And she said, hold me as close as you can till my body's on fire. It's just a vertical expression of horizontal desire. So we move like water being poured over polished steel. And I really can't translate the way she made me feel. And the music played on and the mercury just went higher. It's just a vertical expression of horizontal desire. We did the samba, the mambo, the tango, the two-step while we romanced. And when the music got fast, we just held to each other and slow danced. Nothing for granted, but I wished I could stay all night. And as we walked into her place, she reached out to dim the light. She said, dance with me, darling, till the moon and the stars retire. It's just the vertical expression of horizontal desire. It's just the vertical expression of horizontal desire.
If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I have a dream. and my destination makes it worth the while, pushing through the darkness, still another mile. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I cross the street, I have a dream. I cross the street, I have a dream.
Sometimes late at night I lie awake and I watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light, lay there in the dark, and the thought crosses my mind: if I never wake in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one? And if my time on earth were through, she must face this world without me, is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with the regret that my true no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, I wish you know how much I love her. Did I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one? And if my time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? So tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes.
We're heading. I can remember
I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, then how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance, but in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take the chance. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Waiting for you. top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I? Just promise me